The introduction of MIDI as a standard for transmitting and recording musical performance data predated the widespread use of computers in music production, so the initial standard called for connections using an existing connector, the 5-pin DIN plug, which offered a low-cost way to implement MIDI on keyboards and synths. An opto-isolator was specified for MIDI connections to help ensure reliable data transfer. Due to the relatively low speed of connections in that era, MIDI was designed as a serial communication protocol. Played notes are transmitted one after the other at a rate of around a millisecond per note. For live performance with a single player, this speed was not a problem, since human players really can't hit all the notes of a chord at exactly the same time anyway. But as MIDI evolved into a multi-channel recording medium, the slow rate of DIN-based MIDI connections became a limitation. As computers took over, MIDI shifted to USB connections, and that's still what's primarily used today. Even the earlier, slower USB 1.1 standard was way faster than the DIN-based MIDI speed, and modern USB hookups, though still serial connections, are so fast as to make speed a non-issue. Modern computer connections are fast enough to easily handle multi-channel audio, and MIDI's relatively tiny data-only streams often piggyback on an audio interface's connection to the computer by whatever protocol, USB, Firewire, or Thunderbolt.